If TikTok is not letting you sign in, here are some ways to fix it. First, double check your username and password. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password on the login screen and follow the steps to reset it via email or phone number. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router and try using a different network. If the issue persists, try clearing TikTok's cache. Open TikTok, go to your profile, tap the three line in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to free up space and tap Clear Cache. Ensure your TikTok app is updated by going to the Google Play Store or App Store, searching for TikTok and updating if available. If updating doesn't help, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Check if your account is banned or restricted by visiting TikTok's website and trying to log in from a browser. If you see a message about a ban, you may need to appeal through TikTok support. If you are using a VPN, disable it, as TikTok may block logins from certain IP addresses. Also, if you recently changed your password, wait a few minutes before trying again. If nothing works, try signing in on a different device or contact TikTok support through the help center. That's it. Hopefully you will be able to log in again soon. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more tech fixes.